Hello. This video we're going to go over the sense of hearing. There's a lot of parts of the ear, but really what we really care about is the cochlea. And so inside the cochlea there's a fluid called the endolymph. And so the endolymph is a funky liquid. Normally in a cell, right, it's there's high concentration of Na on the outside of the cell, and low concentration of K outside cell, which means low Na inside and high K inside. So this is what happens in a normal cell. Endolymph is the opposite, where here in this scenario the liquid itself is low in Na and low or high in K plus. And so this matters because this is how the cell kind of works. So let's draw like a little foot here, but there's not really a foot. There's like kind of like the ear cell, kind of, or like the ear, whatever it is. And so these things, like these little toes, are considered the hair cells. These are called the hair cells. So what they do is they kind of move, like they kind of move because they're in a liquid, right? So they're gonna move like this and this and this. So what this does is it opens a mechanically gated K plus channel. Because for example, because the hair cells are in a liquid, say for example one hair is going this way, one hair is going to go this way, and so this opening allows for K to come in, which is why it's mechanically gated, whereas if it's like this, K cannot come in. So it cannot come in. So this is what it means to be mechanically gated. And so yeah. So step 1, K comes in. Step 2, this will depolarize the cell, causing it to gain a charge, excite it, depolarizes it. And step 3, this will then open a voltage gated calcium channel, which will allow calcium to come in and will promote the release of glutamate. Release, and then sends action potential to brain, and then you sense hearing. Alright, so this is kind of how it works. So again, the mechanically gated channels would let K in, it would depolarize it, activating a voltage gated calcium channel. This comes in, opening, allowing these vesicles here of glutamate to bind to the cell membrane and release it, and then this will go to the brain, and then your brain senses hearing. That's it. That's all that's necessary for the first exam.